Have you ever wondered what it would be like if insects could get rabies? Besides people running and screaming, what would that be like? Here in a lab at Kansas State University, Dr. Anna Whitfield and her team are using funding from the National Science Foundation to look at a virus that comes from the same family as rabies. And guess what? It infects insects. It's called Mosaic rhabdovirus, and Dr. Whitfield and her team call the bugs that catch this disease vectors.
The common name of the vector is the corn plant hopper. And this is a very cute little insect that causes devastating losses on plants.
Now, this virus doesn't turn the bugs into giant people-eating monsters, but it does make them drool more. Yeah, you heard me right.
And there's this one experiment where Matthew, our undergraduate student, somehow he observed that the vector, the insects that are infected with the virus, salivates more.
That's important, because just like your mouth waters more when you see this juicy burger, the cornhopper's mouth does the same when it's been infected by the virus. And that extra drool could help the virus to spread more effectively. In some places, cornhoppers and the Mosaic virus can cause losses of up to 90%. And that's scary, because we as humans rely pretty heavily on this plant.
Corn is one of the top 3 most important crops produced around the world.
Dr. Whitfield and her group are working to find out just how these creepy crawlies get infected. What they know right now is that it happens when the bugs eat infected plants.
The gut of insects is probably the area of the insect that's most exposed to the environment.
Once they know how the virus spreads, it can be stopped. We'll be able to grow more crops with less land and feed the 9.6 billion people that are supposed to be on our planet by 2050.
Increasing food production without increasing chemical inputs is extremely important for feeding this growing population.